Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's off to a great productive day. So if you're in the market for some high quality DTF prints, then look no further. Here at CB Graphics, we provide high quality DTF prints. You can upload your design and let us do the printing for you, or you can select from our huge library. There is no order minimums. You can order just one single transfer, or you can upload your design and do a whole entire gang sheet. We also sell custom apparel. We have t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, totes, you name it, we got it. We also carry high quality DTF supplies. We carry DTF ink, transfer film, and DTF powder. So if you want your designs to stand out from everybody else, reach out to CB Graphics. The link will be down in the description.